Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use Miro Whiteboard for beginners. Alright, so now here we are in Miro.com, and this is where you want to be if you want to access the Miro Whiteboard right here. So first things first is that we would need to sign up if we don't have an account, but if you already have one, then you can click on log in. But in my case, I'll go for the sign up free button right here. I'm gonna click on this one, and I'm just gonna use my Google account right here to sign in because this is the most simplest one, but you can also use the other options if you would like right here. Alright, so now we have successfully logged in into Miro with our Google account. So now it will ask us 7 questions when we first sign in into our account or sign up. So the first one is, what is your name? So let's go sample tutorial team. Team right here, kind of work you do. So all you have to do is just basically some personal questions right here. So let's go for teacher student, and now it's my first time, continue, and so on. And you can copy this link and share in your work messenger. So you can just copy the link right here, and you can share this link into the people that you would like to invite into your Miro right here. So I'm just gonna skip this one right here since this is just a tutorial. And then right here, where would you like to start? So you can go for user journey mapping, you can go for product roadmaps, and so on. So in my case, I'll just go for this tutorial, I'll just go for maybe some product roadmaps, or I think I'll just go for brainstorming right here, and let's go click on let's start. But of course, that is purely subjective depending on what you need for your project right here. So in my case, I'll just be going for this one for this example. So as you can see, what are you using right now? I'm using a mouse right here. Click apply, and then I can now scroll down to zoom in and zoom out, just like this one right here. And the first thing that I will show you right here is that I can as you can see in the tutorial right here, you can just drag by right clicking right here, so you can do it like that. And as you can see, we will be going back right there, and then we're going to go to our brainstorming app right here. And the first thing that I will show you are the templates right here, because I think this is the most that is interesting here in Miro. So I'm gonna go here on the templates right here, and we have a lot of templates right here that we can use. We have the brainwriting, we have the visual table, and so on. We have some categories right here, all templates right here. We even have some community templates that other Miro users have created, so you can also use this right here. You can use it, you can preview if you want to. So let's say we would want to go for this template right here. I'm gonna go click on preview so that I can know what it's all about, and about this template, related examples, and so on. And if I want to use this template, then I want to click on use template. And after that, it would be imported into my board just like that. It's very easy. All I have to do now is just wait for this one to load. And now, as you can see, is the template is loading, and now we have it in our board. So now we have 2 templates right here. This one is for brainstorming, and this one is the one that we have just imported. And as you can see, it's really big right here, but you can resize it if it's too big for you. Then you can just go and do that. But as you can see, only the background is resized. Then yeah. And then the next thing is that since the templates are purely subjective, I don't know which one you are going to choose, so I can't really guide you in each template right here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna guide you through the basic functions here on Miro. So now that I have already discussed the templates right here, which is this one, so you already also know this one right here. You can right click to do this, and you can scroll down to zoom in, zoom out, and then you have your text. If you need one, then you can just type a text. So let's say we want it right here, and I want to go this is a tutorial, but as you can see, it's so small because this one is this background is too big. And I can go and select my text, and I can make it larger. So maybe I can make it 100 so that it would be visible right there. And this is a tutorial. And then from here, you can format it. You can go for the switch type. You can go for this type of text. you can do it like this one. So this is very helpful, especially if you're in board. So you can just do that, and you can even connect this one right here. So for example, this note right here, we have this note right here, right? So we can just connect this. You can click here on the connection line, and then I want to go here, and I'm gonna go select this, and I'm gonna go select this note right here, and I'm gonna collect. I'm gonna connect this one right here. So now there would be an indication arrow, so that would be really helpful in your workflow, so that you would know that this note or this text is meant for this note right here. And then the next one is the sticky note right here. So you can also put some sticky notes right here. You can choose the colors. You can go for this one right here, and you can just select where you want to put the sticky note right here. You can put it like that, or you can even go for the sticky note again and then go and make it this large right there. You can do that, and let's say sample right there. And then again, you can always connect it with a connection line. You can make it just like that, and then select this maybe with this text right there. You can always do that. And then the next thing is the shape right here. So we have the shape that you would need. So let's say we would want a star shape. So let's say we want to put the star right here. And from here, you can put a text inside the star if you would want to. But you can also fill it right here. Let's say yellow. And you can go for yellow right here. So there will be a yellow text inside the star right here. When we go with this one, we can go with yellow. And now it's yellow right there. And you can even go for the border style right here. We can go for a yellow one. We can go for this one right here. It would fill the star. So if you would want to put some star in someone's note, then you can go and do this right here just as easily when you go with the shape one right here. And you have your pen if you need to draw in your workspace just like this one. You can always do that. And you also have your highlighter, you have your smart drawing, you have your eraser, your lasso, and your controls right here for your pen. And then the next one is we have the comment. So for example, we would like to comment on this note right here, right there. So let's say we would want to comment on this idea. So I can go and click here using the comment box or action. Then I can go for adding comments. So this is a really good idea. So I can add that comment and click on send. I can even add some emojis right here, just maybe like that, and click on send. And then right here, as you can see, we now have it like this. And then as you can see the some options that we have. We have the resolve. So you can toggle this one if this has been resolved already. Then you can go for other colors that you'd want right here. You even have this. If you don't want to receive notifications from this thread anymore, then you can click on this one right here. And you also have this one. So you can pin, you can copy the link, give a feedback, and so on. You can even invite your teammates to have a discussion on this chat or comments right here. And then when you basically when you get out of that, you would be able to see that right there. And then the next thing is the frame. And then right here under frame, we now have this frame. So we can just do it like this one. As you can see, we now have this frame. We can even go for a letter frame right here. If you want to, it will be like this. So yeah, frame would also be useful for some people. And of course, you can always upload some pictures. So if you need that, then you can go and upload something right here via device, save files, web clippers, and so on. Right there, you can do that. And you can also add more apps right here. So if you feel the need to add apps into your workspace, then you can also do it right here. So you can even add tables right here, and you can add a table right here, maybe 7x5, and then you can put it right here, and now you have it, and you can freely scale it just like that, and then there you have it. And then the next thing is this one. You have the open frame. So from here you can see the frames of the workspace. So you can always add a frame right here, and you can always go to that frame by clicking on this one or this one right here. So yeah, this is the function of this frame button right here. So you can navigate it by clicking on this button right here. And then the next one is the share button. So we have the share button right here. So you can share your workspace into your teammates or whatsoever by using this button right here. And you have some other functions right here. So we have discussed this already. You have your reactions. You can react to this workspace right here. Let's say we want this. And as you can see, there would be some emojis that would be popping up right there. And the others or the other members of this workspace would be able to see it. And the next thing is we have the present button, so you can present your board or whatsoever right here. If you want to share your screen and present it to your team, you can also do it right here. You can present your entire board, frames, activities, talk tracks, and so on. And yeah, that is basically it for this basic tutorial on Miro. This is just an introduction on the features, on what you can do in Miro, and I think this is a really amazing project management app or tool that you can use for your team right here so that you can be more interactive right here and build your workspace right here. So yeah, that is really, really good. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.